I want to cut across to another breaking news that's coming in. A former BJP MLA, ST Somashekar, meeting with DK Shivkumar. What is this about? Remember, there have been questions about whether in one of the scenarios there's a possibility of BJP offering support to DK Shivkumar. A former BJP MLA at such a time meeting with DK Shivkumar. What is this about? Listen in to ST Somashekar himself. My colleague Anaga caught up with him.
Please confirm DK Shivkumar.
Okay. Sir,
Illa.
okay. Sir, but then what do you make of the whole power tussle? That's
No idea, madam. No idea.
Sir, are all the Congress MLAs united according to you, sir?
No, I am not a Congress MLA.
Sir, but then you just had a meeting with DK Shivkumar.
No.
Discussion on the power tussle that has happened.
The DK Shivkumar is sanctioned 113 crores, 113 crores to my constituency. That's why I wish to deputy CM. That's only. No political. No dissident. All 139 MLAs are together. No dissidents in Congress.
If there is a change of leadership, will all the MLAs
It
be
began.
united?
It is an high command decision, not local. Okay, thank you.
So one.
Okay, so that's ST Somashekar, former BJP MLA in the long list of people who've been meeting with DK Shivkumar at his residence. There are some with messages of solidarity. There are some who are pretty much just curious about what's happening and are kind of seeing where really DK Shivkumar's head is at this time. But our reporters who have been reporting on the story have been telling us that DK Shivkumar does come across to be very hopeful, very confident that this is his time now, that he is going to be made the Chief Minister. We will know, hopefully in a couple of days, if that is really the case, if that's where the High Command also is headed.